Welcome to this video where I am going to show you how to fix a problem that can come when you do recordings from the Kindle Fire in low light conditions. This might be true of other cameras as well. So here I am, I've got MoviePlus open in the background and I've got a video here that I've imported, and if I just play this to you now, you'll see that it plays with quite a low frame rate because it was recorded under low lighting conditions. So if we just press play, you'll see what I mean. Hi there, and welcome to this video which hopefully should be demonstrating to you what can happen when we record in a low light setting on a Kindle Fire. You should be seeing, if you've just dropped this video straight into Serif MoviePlus, that the audio and the video are out of sync. So we can leave that video there. Now, playing just in this normal video player, there's no real problem with the video. But if I import the video into MoviePlus, let's just see what happens. So I've dragged the video in, and I'm going to put it onto the timeline. And let's try playing the video now and see what MoviePlus makes of it. The first thing you'll notice is that the camera is moving very quickly, and that I've started speaking in the video before the audio. Hi there, and welcome to this video which hopefully should be demonstrating to you what can happen when we record in a low... So what's happening here is that MoviePlus is playing that video at the regular frame rate for the project, which is going to be 24 or 25 or something like that, which is what you'd normally have a recording at. But because the Kindle was recording when there was very low light, it couldn't take as many frames or pictures per second in the video. So what's happened is you've got fewer video frames, which means that if you play them back at sort of regular speed, then they play very, very, very quickly and much too quick for the audio. In fact, if we get to probably about halfway through, you should see that the audio finishes. The video finishes, but the audio carries on. And probably the audio will finish long before the video finishes. So there we go. So the audio was carrying on, but the video actually stops at this point. There's no more frames in the video to show. So in order to fix this problem, we need to convert this video. And we're going to use a website for that called Online Video Converter. So let's go into Google Chrome and let's just look for this. So it should be our top hit, and we're going to click on this. Now I warn you, if you're doing this at home, this website sometimes has some adverts on it that are not completely ideal. I'm using an ad blocker, so it should cover those. And if you're doing this in school, then you shouldn't see them at all anyway. On the Online Video Converter website, we need to convert a video or audio file that we've already got on the computer. So we're going to choose this middle option. And where it says select or drop a file, I want you to click. And you need to select the video that you want to upload. Press open, and it will start preparing that file and it will start uploading. And depending on your internet speed, this may take a little while to upload. Okay, so once our video has been uploaded, we can choose the format we want to convert it to. So just click here, and we need to choose the AVI video format. So just click on that, and then you can just press the start button. And the processing of our video will commence, and again, depending on the length of your video, it will take less or more time to process. So a longer video will take longer. And once your video has converted, you should be able to see a download button. Now again, if you're not using an ad blocker, you will have adverts all over this page, and it can be quite difficult to see. And some of those adverts might say download or click here to get your video, and they might install some malware. So actually, it's very, very important that your download button looks exactly like mine, with a convert again next to it, and with the sort of name of the video and size all in that same white box. So click on download, and a pop-up will appear. You just need to get rid of that pop-up as soon as you can, and then your video will start downloading in your browser. So once your video has downloaded, we want to copy it or move it from our downloads folder to wherever you are saving your video files. So here is the video in my downloads folder. I'm going to right click and cut, and I'm going to go to my videos and then Shiplake News. There we go. And I'm actually going to make a new folder called Converted to save this video into, so that I don't get it confused with the original. And I'll paste it in there. And now I've got my converted video. So let's go back into MoviePlus. Let's remove the video we already had from our timeline and from our media panel. Just right click and remove. And we're going to import our new converted video. So I'm in my Shiplake News folder, go to converted, here's the one I've just converted, press open, and if I drag this onto the timeline now and go to play the video, we should see that it plays with the correct frame rate. Hi there, and welcome to this video, which hopefully should be demonstrating to you what can happen when we record in a low light setting on a Kindle Fire. Fantastic. So if you want to download that same video in order to have a bit of a practice with it, then you should be able to do that. There should be a link in the description of this video, and you should be able to download my original file, drop it into MoviePlus, and you should see the same problems, and you should be able to go through the same process of converting it and then adding it back into MoviePlus, where you could then use it in your own video projects, though I don't quite know why you would want to include this video in your own projects.